In this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to reset the air filter indicator on a 2020 GMC Acadia. This will also work on many other GM vehicles. What you're going to want to do is start up the vehicle. So I'm going to start the vehicle, and you'll notice that on this vehicle it says replace engine air filter soon. I'm going to use this little check button here to say okay. Then I'm going to use the directional pad here on the steering wheel to navigate through the menu. When you get to the screen that looks like this, you can hit right and left, but we do want to be on the one that says I there, which stands for information. And we're going to press the down arrow until we get to air filter. There's the oil life and then air filter life. To reset it, I'm just going to press the check mark in the middle of the directional pad here. And then you can either disable it or reset it. I'm just going to reset it by pressing the check mark, and then I'm going to put the right arrow over to yes. Click that again, and then you'll notice now that the air life filter is back up to 100%. If you thought this video was helpful, give it a like, comment with any comments, and subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.